I recently stumbled across a dope indicator on TradingView and decided to mix it with two others, a trend filtering moving average and a buy-sell signal generator called twin range filter. After combining them, I cooked up a simpler strategy and took some random trades that turned out pretty sweet. Those trades are what I'm sharing now. The two supporting indicators, DEMA and twin range filter, play backup, but the real star is the HDF candle insights, short for higher time frame candle insights. It overlays the higher time frame candles on your chart. You'll see your current time frame candles alongside these higher time frame ones, giving you a bigger picture view. To get this indicator, hop on TradingView. If you need an account, there's a link in the description. Pull up your favorite chart. I'm using the 5-minute Bitcoin chart. Then hit the Indicators tab. Search HDF Candle Insights by this amazing author and add it. Big shout out to them. Once it's on, you'll see higher time frame candles and a blue line. Let's tweak settings. For a 5-minute chart, setting the higher time frame to 30 minutes. If you're on a 1-hour chart, you might pick 4 hours for the higher time frame, or 15 minutes for a 1-minute chart. I'm sticking with 30 minutes. Set the number of higher time frame candles to 20. Keep the red-green candle colors, they look great. Enable the range, showing the high to low distance over 20 candles. Set the mid color to white. And turn off the range high-low option. The show table option displays a little reminder of your current and higher time frames. In the style tab, you can hide candle boxes, lines, or the table if you want. Now the chart shows an upper line, lower line, and middle line, with 20 candles from the 30-minute time frame overlaid on the 5-minute chart. Compare it to the actual 30-minute chart, and it's spot on. Before we get to the strategy behind those winning trades, let me introduce you to my trading family at Bybit. And to do that, I'm handing over to my dear friend Michael.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Now, let's add the other two indicators to complete the strategy, but don't sweat it. I know you might be scratching your head and telling yourself, oh, I'm using the free plan of TradingView. Believe me, I know. Watch the entire tutorial until the end, because just before the end of it, I'm gonna show you 3 different approaches to go around it, and it's a kind of a TradingView hack. You can use it and using up to 10, 20, or even 40 indicators on the free plan. Now, search for double EMA or DEMA and twin range filter. For DEMA, set the length to 100. And pick a color. I'm going white. For twin range filter, set both fast and slow ranges to 1. Then hit OK. Here's a strategy for a long trade. First, price must be above the white DMA, signaling a bullish trend on the 5-minute chart. Second, twin range filter needs to flash a long signal, boosting the odds of an upward move. Third, HDF candle insights should show 3 back-to-back green candles, with the latest opening and closing above the midline, confirming a 30-minute bullish trend. Enter long, measure the latest 30 minutes candle size, say 20 pips for example, set a 24 pip stop loss below and a 24 take profit. Let it run. And it hits. Let's see another long example. Price is above the DMA, or let's say it's bullish. Twin range filter gives a long signal. An HDF candle inside shows 3 green candles. The lid is above the midline. Enter long, use the 30-minute candle size for stop loss and take profit. And it banks profit. Now, for a short trade, flip it. Price below the DMA, or let's say it's bearish, twin range filter gives a short signal, and HDF candle inside shows 3 red candles. The lid is below the midline. Measure the 30-minute candle size, stop loss above and take profit below for the same pips. And let it right to profit.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext.
In short, HDF Candle Insights is a slick tool for seeing trends across timeframes, with customizable visuals to spot support resistance and make smarter trades. Pair it with DMA and twin range filter for a solid strategy. This isn't financial advice though. Test it yourself before trading real cash. As I promised you earlier, make sure to watch the recommended videos on your screen. These are the 3 different approaches to use more than just 2 indicators on the free plan of TradingView. Believe me, you will thank me later. And the other recommended playlist is also different approaches for making your own trading bot, either with this strategy or any other strategy, which you can find hundreds of them on the channel, which all proven to work. Turn it into a bot with alerts so it does the job for you while you're not around. Love this? Smash that like button and subscribe. Catch you next time.